Hello everyone, in today's video we will know about the percentage tricks which will be useful in our daily lives and competitive exams as well. So before knowing the tricks, let us know what is percentage. Percentage are fractions with 100 as a denominator. In other words, it is a relation between part and a whole where the value of whole is always taken as 100. Type 1, 10% of any number. In general, 10% of 25 is written as 10 by 100 into 25, that is 2.5. Here the trick is place the decimal just before the one number from right side. So 10% of 25 is 2.5, and second example, 10% of 125 is 12.5, and 10% of 1245 is 124.5. Type 2, 10% of any number with zeros. First example, 10% of 250. So here this is very simple, just cancel the zeros. So 10% of 250 can be written as 25. And second example, 10% of 1880 is, when you cancel the zeros, the answer is the number itself, that is 188. And third example, 10% of 2550 is 255. The type 2 percentage tricks are very simple and easy. Coming to type 3, multiples of 10% of any number. Multiples of 10% in the sense 20, 30, 40 and so on. So let us see first example, 20% of 45. 20% of 45 can be written as, first find the 10% of 45 and multiply with 2. So 10% of 45, as we have seen in the type 1 examples, place the decimal just before one digit from right side and multiply by 2, that is 4.5 into 2 is 9. Coming to second example, 40% of 55 can be written as 10% of 55, that is place the decimal just before one digit from right side and into 4 is 22. Third example, 50% of 125 can be written as 10% of 125, that is 12.5 into 5 is 62.5. Coming to type 4, single digit number percent of any number. Here first example, 1% of 346 can be written as, in general, 1 by 100 into 346 is equal to 3.46. So we have to place the decimal before the two numbers from the right side. So coming to the second example, 5% of 35 can be written as, multiply 5 into 35, the answer is 175. Now place the decimal just before the two numbers from right side, the answer is 1.75. 7% of 550 is, multiply 7 into 550, the answer is 3850. Place the decimal just before the two numbers from right side, that is 38.50. This is all about 4 types. Coming to real-time examples of percentage. First example, MRP is 499 and discount is 10% price. So here type 1 percentage trick can be used, that is 10% of 499 is, place the decimal just before one number from right side. So the answer is rupees 49.9. Coming to the second example, total marks of an exam is 150 and a student X got 60%. How many marks he scored? Here type 2 percentage trick will be used, that is cancel both the zeros, and the answer is 150 into 6 is 90 marks. Coming to the third example, Mr. A borrowed rupees 5000 at 5% interest from Mr. B. What is the interest amount per month Mr. A has to pay? So here type 4 percentage trick will be used, that is multiply 5 into 5000, we get the answer 25,000. Now place the decimal just before the two numbers from the right side, that is 250.00. So the answer is rupees 250. So this is all about 4 types of percentage tricks. So know these tricks to save our time in our daily lives and competitive exams as well. This is all about today's video, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.